Welcome to Design Unfiltered, where we tell the truth about interior design with a little glamour, yeah, a little laughter, and absolutely no filter. And as you know now, I'm Perla Lichi, and after more than 4 decades of designing homes around the world, I've learned one thing. Oh yes, your home is talking. Yeah, the only question is, what is it saying? Well, have you ever walked into someone's house and thought, wow, oh, this place is gorgeous. Ooh. But then 5 minutes later, you're looking at an excuse to leave. Well, you just can't explain it. The furniture's expensive. The marble is beautiful, right? And then the chandelier probably costs more than a small yacht. But the room has absolutely no soul. Then you walked into another house that's half the price, and suddenly you're saying, oh, darling, can we have coffee? Can we stay for dinner? Do you have a guest room? Well, guys, let's see what's the difference. Well, today we're solving one of the biggest mysteries in interior design. That's it. I decided that. Why does your house feel wrong even when you can't figure out why? Well, here's the first thing you need to know. Your home has a personality. Oh yeah, like me. And yes, it does. Some homes walk into the room before you do. Well, some homes whisper elegance. Some scream everything was on sale. And some homes are having a complete identity crisis. Like, for example, the dining room is French, the family room is farmhouse, the kitchen's industrial, the bedroom's tropical, the bathroom's pretending to be a spa in Bali. Your house is actually jet lagged by now. So, let's start with furniture placement. Why is every sofa pushed against the wall? Who started that rumor? I'd like to know. Was there a secret meeting where everyone agreed that furniture had to stand at attention around the perimeter? Oh, guys, bring it in. Let your furniture socialize. Yeah. I mean, your sofa deserves friends. Coffee tables have feelings too, guys. Create some conversation. Yes, space planning, okay? If your guests need binoculars to talk to each other, the furniture's too far apart. Think about it. Oh, honey, please. Now, let's discuss the world's smallest area rocks. Yeah, you know the ones. You've seen them. The coffee table is sitting on it. Yeah, but every chair standing outside looking like offended. Like, what happened here? Well, I keep saying an area rock should anchor the room, not look like it accidentally shrunk in the dryer, okay? Think of it as the perfect designer belt. The right size pulls everything together. The wrong size makes the whole outfit look confused. I mean, and when we're talking about confusion, let's have a little chat about matching furniture. Oh, guys, those furniture sets, really? Living room, dining room, bedroom, everything matches perfectly. Well, congratulations. Your house looks exactly like page 14 of a furniture catalog. Beautiful? Well, maybe. Memorable? Not even close. Nature does not match. No. Now, fashion doesn't match also. I mean, no. Not last time I looked in Vogue. Luxury hotels don't match. Great designers mix textures. They mix finishes. They mix shapes. That's where personality lives. Just say, now, Let's talk lighting. Yeah, this one hurts my heart though, if I think about it. People spend hundreds of thousands of dollars decorating, and they light up the entire room with one lonely ceiling fixture. Oh my God, that poor light is working harder than anyone in the house. Lighting is everything. It's makeup for your home. You wouldn't go to a gala wearing fabulous clothes and forget your makeup. No. Well, your home shouldn't either. Guys, use lamps, accent lighting, wall lighting, decorative lighting. Create layers, because good lighting makes your artwork look even better. Your furniture look better. Even your in-laws will look better. Yeah, that's a miracle. Ooh. Now, let's discuss the artwork since I'm on the subject. Please. Oh, guys, hold on. I can't. Stop hanging art so high. Oh, please. I'm not sure who you're decorating for. Basketball players. Oh, I know a few myself. Giraffes. Guys, artwork belongs where humans can actually enjoy it. Eye level. That's how it should be. And then again, another favorite of mine. Little tiny accessories everywhere. Ooh, little candles, little statues, little bowls, little boxes, little birds, little everything. Oh, hold on. Oh, honey, I have to move 23 decorative objects just to put down a cup of coffee. Oh, we've gone too far, guys. No, accessories are like jewelry. One fabulous bracelet. Yeah, perfect. But 37 bracelets? Oh, guys, now we're making noise. Every time we wave hello. So here's another secret, might as well tell you. You know that luxury isn't expensive. Luxury is intentional. That's why some $5 million homes feel cold. Oh, I've seen plenty of those. And some smaller homes make you feel like you've arrived somewhere special. Yeah, luxury isn't about showing off. No, luxury is about making people feel comfortable. Oh, yeah, I'm so comfy here. Oh, my goodness. I'm telling you, make them feel welcome. Make them feel inspired. And maybe just a tiny little bit jealous. Okay, so let's look up. What do we see? Yeah, the ceiling. Really, the most ignored surface in the house. Guys, everyone spends a fortune on floors. Oh, I've seen it, but nobody looks up. Oh, what's up? The ceiling is the crown, guys. Don't forget that. It's the fifth wall. Give it character. Yeah, like me if you want to. Even subtle architectural details, because they can completely change how a room feels. And here's something that I tell every one of my clients. Here, your home should tell your story. Not your neighbor's story, not your cousin's story, definitely not your favorite influencer's story. No, that's a no. So I don't care if beige is trending. If color makes you happy, embrace it. If you're a collector, display your treasures beautifully. Oh, if you have glamour, guys, please don't ever, no way apologize for that sparkle. Oh, goodness. Your home should make you smile every single day, because here's the truth. A home isn't successful because it's expensive. No, a home is successful because it makes you feel something like peace, joy, comfort, energy, excitement. Yeah, that's real design. So Oh goodness, before I leave you today, okay, yeah, I have a little homework for you. Walk into your home tonight. Stand at the front door. Don't touch the phone. No, no, no. Don't turn on the TV. No, no, no. Just look and ask yourself one question. If this house could introduce me, what would it say? Oh, hold on. Ooh. Oh, I'm warm and welcoming. I'm elegant. I'm creative. I'm adventurous. Or would it quietly whisper, help, help, I need help. And that's the answer. But don't panic, because great design isn't about replacing everything. It's about making smarter choices, moving things, editing things. I keep saying about them layering things, and of course creating balance and creating emotion, because the most beautiful homes are not the ones that cost the most. Oh no, no, no. Believe it or not, they're the ones that make people walk in, smile, and say, I just don't know what it is about this place. Oh, but I absolutely love being here. That's the magic of great design. And that's exactly what I hope your home says about you. So I'll see you next time on Design Unfiltered. Oh yeah, where we tell the truth about design. Yeah, thank God someone is. With style, with humor, and absolutely no filter.